Welcome! Today I am with Motorola Moto E7 Power and I will show you how you can install tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first, I can recommend you to prepare a good source of light because we have to see a very mess that we have on the screen and we have to clean it. So as you can see, here we got a couple of the fingerprints and other mess. And if you are ready, you can open the box with your tempered glass, and for sure inside you can find tempered glass and also the two wipes. Here I have the wet and the dry. We are going to use the wet at the first, but sometimes with the box comes also the stickers to take off dust from the screen. If you don't have it, you can use duct tape. Right now let's start from opening the wet one. And this one is wet, but sometimes it happens that it's not wet, so it comes dry. So you can use something like a window cleaner and just apply it on your wipe and it will be fine. So let's start by making the move in the circle. Remember to reach a very corner that you have. We have to make whole display. We have to make it in a good condition. Okay. Right now just put back the wet one and open the dry. And make the same moves and the circle. Just like that. Okay, and as you can see right now, our display looks really nice. So we can simply start with installation of tempered glass. We have to take off this sticker. Remember to do it slowly, just like that. And sometimes happen that this sticker doesn't comes with this foil. So in my case, everything works fine. But if you have this issue, you have to remove this foil manually. So you have to put your fingernail from one of the edge, for example, from this one, and just remove it like that. Then take it off, put it back. And right now, be sure that in your display there is no any dust, because when you put your tempered glass on the piece of the dust, you will get air bubbles. In my case, everything is fine, so let's keep holding the bottom part, put this glass to the upper section of the screen, and still keep holding the bottom part. Check if the glass is in the good position. Okay, I think that in my case it's fine, so I'm going to put the bottom part just like that, and take a look on the screen. We can press, for example, from one of the edge and it will go automatically. As you can see, it's finished. Right now we can use one of our wipe to clean this glass from fingerprints. Okay, and as you can see right now we can turn on our screen and there is no any problem with the touch interaction, there is no problem with sensitivity, and you can easily install this tempered glass and you don't have to be afraid of your touch sensitivity in this smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.